In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the map widget when you want to add a map to one of the screens of your smartboard. First, we select the Add Widget button, and then from our menu, we select Map. That gives us a map that appears now on our smartboard's design screen. Just like our other widgets, we can use our cursor to relocate that map widget. We can also resize it using the resize handle in the lower right-hand side. Now, as long as we have that widget selected and highlighted, the menu on the left side of the screen becomes all about that map widget. And the first selection you have is to determine what map type you want to use. We'll click on that and you can see we have a selection between OpenStreetMaps, Google Maps, or Google Maps with traffic. We're going to choose the OpenStreetMap style. The next selection is where the map centers. In other words, what's the center point of that map? You can do two things here. You can type in an actual latitude and longitude. So if you want that map to center on Stonehenge in England, just get the latitude and longitude for that and enter them in here, and that's where your map will center. More likely, however, you're going to use text placeholders here. So place your cursor in the latitude box, select the text placeholder, and then you can choose your station's latitude from the server. So your station's latitude and longitude can be entered into the server, and now all you have to do is choose the station latitude. That enters that into the latitude box. We'll now put our cursor in the longitude box, use the text placeholder, and choose station longitude. And here's our fire station right at the center of the map. So again, we can use placeholders to select the latitude and longitude of an incident, or the latitude and longitude of our station, or we can manually type in the latitude and longitude where we want the map to center. The next choice we have is the zoom level of the map. There are 16 zoom levels from 2 through 18. If you choose 2, you'll get a map that basically shows the entire world centered on your particular fire station in this case. Or you can choose something a little closer up, say your entire community at a level of 12, or we can choose something very close up, choose 16, and just show the neighborhood immediately around your fire station. So you set the zoom level 2 through 18 using this field right here. Now, in addition to showing that, we can also make some choices down here below that menu item. One is we can have our alerts showing on the screen. So if we click Show Alerts, we'll get a map marker for the last 5 incidents that our department responded to. So we can show the last 5 incidents on the map. We can show the active alert. If there's an active alert going on, we can have that on screen as well. We can also show the location of units. This is important. Our maps have the ability to display the automatic vehicle location, or AVL, from all of the vehicles that are currently running Streetwise. So we'll turn that on and you can see our little Streetwise fire trucks and cars now appear on the map in the exact location where those are actually located out on the street. We can also have a map marker showing our fire station. We can overlay a radar on top of the map so that we have weather radar located on the map as well. And we can show our sticky waypoints, our hydrants, and our pre-plans. In this case, however, we're zoomed pretty far out, so showing the hydrants and the sticky waypoints doesn't make a lot of sense. But if you have a close-up map of your incident location, upon dispatch, you'll be able to see the hydrants and the sticky waypoints in the immediate vicinity of the incident that you're responding to. Now, you can also have a navigation line appear on the map. If you want to navigate to the location of the current incident, you can come down here to the Nav to latitude, use the text placeholder, and select the active alert latitude. Then in the longitude, select the active alert longitude. Now, when you have an active alert, that'll actually show a navigation line from your current station to the location of the incident overlaid on the map.